Hey guys, if you're looking for an alternative for the covers to protect your faucets in the wintertime, here's a great option for you. This is a little outdoor faucet freeze protector, and what it does is once you put it on here, it has a couple little functions in there that what it does is keeps it really tight, and once it gets down to a certain temperature right before freezing, this will let some of that water slowly drip out. So all you have to do is take one of these, screw it on here, you screw it on like that, then you can turn your faucet on, and there is water running in there right now. And what it does is it just holds this and pressurizes it. Again, like I said, it keeps it really tight and pressured in there, and once it gets loose enough, or once the water starts coming out, it will drip out water, and that way, again, you'll keep your pipes from freezing. So what it does, keeps everything nice and pressurized and tight in here. So once water or it does get colder, you'll start seeing this kind of break down a little bit, and water will start dripping out of here slowly. So that way, again, your pipes will never freeze. So all you do is put it on there, turn your water on, let some water come in there, and once you take this off, it will be pressurized as well, because again, it says pressurized in there. So you got this on there, you can turn it on to make sure, again, water is coming out of here. Then you close it up, and like I said, once you want to take it off, all you're going to do is pull this off. Like I said, it is pressurized. Once it's on there, you can hear it and see it coming off. Yep. And there you go. Now you have one of these, and you can use these kind of all outside on your faucets outside and different things. And so this might be something else you could try. Maybe you don't like the covers, or maybe you want to try something different. This is an option for you. You could even, I think, do this and the covers as well if you want to be extra careful. So there's all different types of options and things you can do. So definitely something you can check out. We're going to try it at our house and see how well it works. But this is a great option instead if you don't want your pipes to burst, and if you'd rather not use the covers, whichever one you want to use. But overall, I think these are going to be a good idea. Highly recommend. Check them out.